In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a survey in SurveyMonkey step by step, even if you've never used the platform before. This is a simple way to get a professional survey up and running quickly, whether you're collecting customer feedback, running a school project, gathering team opinions, or doing market research. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to choose a template, edit your questions, publish your survey, and copy the link so you can start sharing it right away. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once the homepage loads, you'll see options for creating a new survey and other tools available on the platform. To begin, click on Create Survey. This is where SurveyMonkey lets you start building your form, and it's usually the fastest way to get going if you want a ready-made structure instead of building everything from scratch. Next, you'll see template options. Click on Pick a popular template. SurveyMonkey gives you a variety of templates designed for different use cases, so this is a great shortcut if you want something that already looks professional. After that, you'll be taken to the template library. Here, select a survey template that matches your goal. You can browse through the available choices and pick the one that best fits the type of questions you want to ask. If you're not sure which one to use, choose the template that feels closest to your topic because you can always edit it later. Once you've found the right template, click on Use this template. This will open the survey editor and load the questions into a customizable survey layout. Now you can review the questions one by one. If everything looks correct, you can leave them as they are, or you can click on any question to edit it. You might want to change the wording, adjust the answer choices, or remove questions that don't fit your needs. This is the best part of SurveyMonkey, because it gives you a simple way to tailor the survey to your audience without needing any technical skills. Take your time here and make sure the survey matches your purpose. You can make it more formal, more friendly, shorter, or more detailed depending on who will be answering it. Once you're happy with the setup, the next step is to click on Publish Survey. This is what makes your survey live and ready to collect responses. Before publishing, it's always a good idea to quickly review everything one more time, just to make sure your questions and format are exactly how you want them. After publishing, SurveyMonkey will generate sharing options for your survey. To get the link, click on Copy. This copies the survey link to your clipboard so you can paste it into an email, message, website, or social post. That means your survey is now ready to share with your audience. And that's it. You've successfully created a survey in SurveyMonkey, customized it, published it, and copied the link for sharing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.